Hello students. Today we'll see operations on fractions. So here they given, let us recall, but this portion has been reduced from your syllabus. Means this total table they have reduced. So let us learn about the conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. Look, here they given one example. That example is, if seven apples are divided equally between two people. Look, seven apples we divided equally between two people. How many will each one get? That we have to find. For that, we have to do the dividation. Now you knows that here dividation means these seven apples will divide it by two, because we have to find the part of apple that each one got. Okay, so here 7 upon 2 means 7 divided by 2, they given here. Now we'll divide it. 7 divided by 2, here 7 is known as the dividend. Okay, dividend. Then 2 is the divisor, divisor. Then 2 threes are 6. So 3 is the quotient, quotient. Purposely I am saying these spellings because maybe you will make mistake while writing the spellings. That's why. And for here 7 minus 6, how much remain? 1. So this 1 is known as the remainder. Now look, 7 upon 2. We have to write in mixed number. This is 7 upon 2 is known as the fraction. We have to write this in mixed number. So how to write? While writing these, first we have to do the dividation of these numbers. Okay, we did the dividation. After that, whatever quotient will be there, that we have to write first. So we had written here 3. Then remainder in the numerator place. This is the numerator place, and downsides denominator place. So, and this is the quotient. Okay, quotient is 3, 1 is remainder, and denominator we are writing, that is divisor. Okay, so here 7 upon 2 we converted into mixed number, that is 3 and 1 upon 2. Okay, so each will get 3 full apples and 1.5 apple. Okay, this is the answer of the given question. Now we will take another number to see how to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. So here first of all I will make place for solving the example, and same way we'll convert which numbers, improper fraction into mixed number. I'll tell you how to convert this. We'll take the examples. Okay, so first example I will take, we have to convert, 1 minute, we have to convert 11 upon 3 into mixed number. Now look here, 11 upon 3. So 3's table you should know. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So 3 threes are 9. 11 minus 9. How much will remain? 2. Now we'll write this into mixed number. 11 upon 3 is equal to, first of all, which thing we have to write here? The quotient. So here quotient is 3. Then after that we are writing the remainder. Remainder is 2. And after that we are writing the divisor. Divisor is 3. Okay, so 11 upon 3 we convert it into mixed number, that is 3 and 2 upon 3. Okay, now we'll see the next number. We'll convert this number into mixed number. Okay, so I will take another example. Again I have to make here place. We'll make the place. Now next fraction I will take, that is, okay, I will take the fraction 17 upon 5. Okay. Now this fraction will convert into mixed number. So again same procedure you have to do. 17, 5. Now quotient is 5 threes are 15. How much remain? 2. Now we will write this 17 upon 5 into mixed number. Look, first of all we have to write the quotient, that is 3. Then we are writing the remainder, that is 2, and then divisor as a denominator. Okay, so we converted 17 upon 5 into mixed number, that is 3 and 2 upon 5. Okay, one more example we will see here. I will write here the number 31 upon, okay, I will write here 31 upon 6. Okay, now look here, 31, 6. 6 5s are 30. Then the remainder is 1. Okay, so here 31 upon 6 is equal to, quotient is 5, remainder is 1, and divisor is 6. 5 and 1 upon 6. Okay, now again we will see one more example. Maybe now you understood how to write the improper fraction into mixed number. But again I will tell you one more example, that is, we will take the example as 9 upon 5. Okay, so 9 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 ones are 5. Here, what is the remainder? 4. Now we will write this in the mixed number. So 9 upon 5 is equal to, quotient is 1, remainder 4, and divisor 5. Do you understand this? How to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Okay. Now, next point is there in your book. That is, first look, they given here one box. Take care. While dividing, we take care to see that the remainder is smaller than the divisor. As a result, in the mixed number, the numerator of the fraction part is smaller than its denominator. Okay. Now, we will see the conversion. Now, we have seen the conversion of improper fraction into mixed number. Now, we'll see the conversion of mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay. So, here they given one example that we'll see first. That example is, here they given the mixed number 3 and 2 upon 5. This is the mixed number. We have to convert this number into improper fraction. Look, 3 and 2 upon 5. Look, two methods they given, but we will use the simple method. Hmm? Here, what you have to multiply? You have to multiply, look here, this quotient and divisor, and add remainder in that. Means what we'll do? 3 multiplied by 5. These two we have to multiply and add this numerator in that, plus 2 upon what is here denominator? Denominator is 5. Hmm? Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2 as it is upon 5. So your answer it will be 17 upon 5. Okay, here they given. This is the simple method. You can use this first method also, but it is little complicated for you. So I am preferring you have to use this second method only to solve the examples of conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, we will see more examples. Means you will understand well. So, first of all, I will make place for that. We will see more examples of conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, so we'll see the examples. I will take here few examples. Now, first, the improper fraction is 2 and 3 upon 5. Okay, now I will solve this example. What we have to do first? We have to multiply these two numbers and add this number. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 5s are 10 plus 3 upon 5. Now look here, 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Look, before that we had seen how to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Look, how did it come? That I will show you. This 13 upon 5. Is it coming 2 and 3 upon 5? That I will show you here. Look, I will write here 13. Then 5 2s are 10. How much remain? 3. So how to write this 13 upon 5? First we are writing quotient, that is 2. Then we are writing the remainder 3. And then the divisor, that is 5. Okay. Look, this same number. So you can convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Otherwise, mixed number into improper fraction. Now one more example we will take. There we will convert mixed number into improper fraction. So for that I will take the next example. Both methods I said to you here. We will take another example. I will write here 3 and 4 upon 7. Okay, little bigger number I will take. Now how to solve? See here. First of all, we have to multiply 3 into 7 and add 4 in that 7. So 7 3s are 21 plus 4 upon 7. What is your answer? Is equal to 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. Okay. One more example I will write here. That is, okay, 1 and 5 upon 6. So here, what will you get? We will see. 1 and 5 upon 6. So what you have to do? 1 multiplied by 6 plus 5 upon 6. 6 into 1, 6 plus 5 upon 6. That is 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6. Okay. Do you understand this? One more example we will take here for your understanding. Okay. So next fraction I will take here. Next fraction, that is, I will take the example. Okay. We will see here 8 and 2 upon 5. Which number we have to multiply? 8 multiplied by 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 8 5s are 40 plus 2 upon 5, that is 42 upon 5. Okay. One more example we will take 2 and 3 upon 4. Okay. So here what? You have to multiply 2 and 4. Add 3 in that. Divided by denominator is 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 upon 4. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Okay. Do you understand this? Now, look, by using these methods, you have to solve practice set 9. First question is convert into improper fraction. Second is convert into mixed number. And write the following examples using fraction. First apples example we had seen. Same way you have to write the example using fraction. Solve and write down the example in, first of all, find the improper fraction, then find the mixed number of that examples. Okay. Maybe you understand these examples very well. So write down the practice set 9 in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.